So ngayon, kasama ko si Michelle at nandito tayo ngayon. Ma'am, saan ang location natin ito?
We are located po C5 Extension in Las Piñas.
Yes.
The project is called Hermosa and
Yes.
selling po ready for occupancy units. So,
Yes, at may mga pre-selling pero itong pinakamaganda. May ready for occupancy at ang maganda lang po, we are part of Pilar Global City.
yes,
Tama po ba?
Villar Land Global South. So
Wow,
it's a
ang tawag.
township, 80
Ah.
hectare big po ang township natin. And
Oh,
we
and-
are the first condo development na ino-offer within that 80 hectare po.
Wow naman. So, papasokin natin ang typical studio unit at alam ko may promo po tayo na fully furnished daw ang ating promo. Tama po ba? Okay. Ayun. Hello. Ayun na.
My
Sir.
name is Fly
Yan.
Trinidad and I am your project marketing officer for this site. So
Uh-uh.
actually we have
Yes.
here is our model unit for
Okay.
Barcelona. So
Barcelona. So, studio unit po to, sir.
Apo,
Anong
this
size po nito, sir?
This is 24 square meters.
Wow, malaki pala.
Yes po.
Oo.
It's really big. So
Oo.
here we have our fully furnished
Yes.
as model unit. But actually meron po tayong promo this month.
Yes.
Which is fully furnished. Mas madami yung furnitures natin
Wow.
na i-offer. So here's a list.
Tingnan nga po ang listahan.
Ayan, so for our bedroom, meron tayong bed frame, mattress,
Wow.
pillows,
O meron na? Check.
two-door wardrobe,
Talaga ba?
comforter. Yes
Wow.
po, definitely. Madami
Talaga?
tayong i-offer dito.
Ano pa? Ano pa?
So
Wow.
for our living room, meron naman tayong sofa bed,
Wow.
four-seater dining set,
Wow.
aircon,
Wow.
and television.
Wow.
So complete na siya. And you have a full list of sa kitchen naman, may
Okay.
refrigerator,
Wow.
microwave, induction stove,
Wow.
range hood.
Wow.
And then for bathroom, meron din tayong water heater, bidet set, bathroom mirror, glass partition, and for
Talag-
others, meron pa sir.
Ano pa?
Meron pa tayong washing machine, overhead cabinet, and digital lock set. So,
OMG! Grabe!
Yes
At ang
po,
promotion,
definitely.
2% lang ibibigay mo
Opo,
and then
2%
8% pag na-approve ng bank.
Yes,
Discounted na,
definitely.
oh my goodness, mapapabalik ka talaga rito. Oh my God, guys! Limited offer lang to sa sobrang ganda ng lugar. OMG! So, ayan na po siya. Ibig sabihin, wala talagang gagawin kapag bumili. Iparenta mo na lang, tirahan mo na lang sa bahala ka na. Wala ka ng hassle-hassle.
Ready to
OMG.
move in, sir.
OMG. Kasama bang jowa to? Ay, sorry. Yun na lang ang kulang. Di, pagka bumili ka, magkakaroon ka, di ba? Ganda.
Marami kang options.
Wow naman, sobra. Fantastic. Sobra talaga nabigla ako sa promo. Congratulations. Ate Lynn, napakaganda ng investment niyo. Nako, himukin mo na. Last units na lang mga titira. No, ilan na lang.
For Barcelona, mga nasa 6 units na lang po kami.
OMG. Ano ho?